Well, that's strange. On the screen I'm pretty sure that's a 13, you can't make it out on here. And the file says it's a 13. Well, that to me looks like a 15. Should get the micrometer on it and have a look. But either way, I need 13 or 15. Just having a play. Austin's already claimed it. Whose spanner's this, Austin? Is this your spanner? Austin's spanner. Yeah. Yeah, looks to me like a 15, but yeah, cool. I've gone a bit thicker on the infill this time, 40%, just so it's a little bit more solid. I haven't gone to the max, like, I think it'll have enough rigidity just to, you know, tighten little nuts and bolts up and stuff. And yeah. Cool, well that's the spanner so far. Looks as if it's adhering well to the bed. As soon as it starts sticking okay like that, I'm quite happy normally. But yeah, we'll come back to it in a bit. Looks to me, actually this could be fun. This could be very messy in fairness. I was going to go then, but I'm just looking at it now and I haven't got any supports on it. And it looks as if that ridge, didn't realise this because I didn't look at the layers before printing, but that ridge there, yeah, this will be fun. Unless I put something in there, it's going to be very messy over the centre. Over there, when it tries crossing over, so that could be a fun part to catch on the camera as it fails. We'll see if we can catch it. So yeah, bye for now. So there we go, it's complete. Let's see if I can, oh yeah, let's pick it off. Wow. Wow. Next time do it with supports. But yeah, so it's a 15. I'll get the old micrometer on it in a second and get a picture of that. But yeah, should work. Looks about 15 to be fair, even though the file said 13. Cool, happy days. First spanner. Bye for now.